Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And in this Creo for Beginners series, I'm going to proceed now with some 3D modeling. So far we have covered some sketches, basic sketches on how to use basic tools like rectangle, circle, all these sketching tools inside Creo Parametric. Now we are moving further and we are going to use the sketching tools to create this 3D model. So as you can see in the left side, I have already a drawing. We are going to create the 3D model from the drawing. So without further ado, let's start with the modeling. So I'm in Creo Parametric Workbench. Let's go for new part. Go for, I will make sure it is solid, and you can give file name anything you want. Give 6. Uncheck use default template because I have my own template part You can fill all this if you want. Press OK. Now this is a very simple part. It is just created using a revolve feature. So as you can see, the sketch is nothing but few lines, and then we are going to evolve it. So let's select the front plane, go for revolve. Once you do that, all you have to do is create a center line first. Once we have the center line, let's start the sketch. So you can start from anywhere, but let's draw a vertical line first. Once the vertical line is done, I can label it, or I can give the dimension 140, and this distance from center line is 20, so I will do that also. We have set the stage. You can do one thing and hide all your unnecessary stuff from here, which we are not going to use. Now let's continue with the line. I will take line like this. I will go like this, and something like this I will do, and then I will finish my sketch. Now this line, as you can see, is not horizontal, so I will make it horizontal. I can delete this equal constraint because we are going to define it by dimension. So first of all, let's start from here. 15. This total is 165, but it is full. Let's go for dimension from here to here, 165. And this dimension is 20. Also, this distance is 90. So from here to here, I can give 90. All right. And from here to here, we have already defined. So this distance is 90. This distance is 90. I can see one equal constraint over here, but that is fine. How much we can give? I think this is also 20, so let's make this and this equal. And this will make your sketch fully defined. Drag it a little bit like this. So yeah, our sketch is fully defined now. All you can see is it is not ready to be revolved now because the sketch is not highlighted. So all you have to do is go to delete segment and just cut this middle portion a little bit. See, once you cut it, it will become a close sketch. This color will fill inside your sketch. That means our sketch is complete. I'll press OK, and as soon as I do that, it automatically takes the 360 degree revolution around my center line. If I go for standard orientation, you can see. But here what I can do is can give 270. Okay, let's reverse the direction. Yeah, perfect. I'll press OK. Go for shading with edges. So your part is ready. Now let's take this part a little bit further, and I'm gonna teach you a little bit about circular pattern on this. So for that, nothing, just select this face, go for extrude and take a circle, draw somewhere over here. No need to give all this, just define the diameter of 20, and then all I can do is I can take another circle from center and make it like that, so that this I can define. Okay, this is not possible because I have constrained it using the center line of the previous circle. I will just delete it, and then I will take another circle from center, give it a dia of, let's say, 200. Okay, need more, so let's go for 400. It's too much. Reduce it to 350. I think we can take 300. Yeah, little bit more or less. Perfect. So take this 270, make it construction, and then you can take this center and take the circle, make it coincident. All right. Another thing you can do is you can define its distance from here. So if I just see, it is still moving. I will just give a random distance of 30. Once I do that, I will press OK. As soon as I press OK, it will start adding the material, but I want to remove the material. Reverse direction. That looks good to me. Press OK. Once we have our first hole or extrude, you can say, I'll just select it, go for pattern and go for axis pattern. Make sure my axes are visible so I can select it, and I want number of members, let's say 8, around hmm, I can change this, so we can angular extent, I can say 270 because that is where we are doing. Instead of 8 we can go for 7. I can still, it is going out of the, you know, this, so I will reduce this angle. I will make it 60° or else 30°. Yeah, or else let's go for 45. It is still going out, so let's go for 30 only. So then I can, let's say, go for 8 or 9 and then press OK. So this is how you can do a simple pattern inside Creo Parametric. I hope you guys understood what I have taught in this tutorial. This is very simple. This is pretty basic inside Creo Parametric, and yeah, we use just uh, two tools. One is revolve and the other one is pattern, and we completed this model. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment down below. I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Peace.